Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will talk about extractors and outputters in the useQuel language. So we have already seen them in our demo example. So what are extractors? useQuel language provides a built-in extractors class called extractors, and these are the common extractors that the extract class provides. So they are extractors.text, .csv and .tsv. So whenever you are extracting from a file which is a comma separated file, you would use extractors.csv, and tsv is used for tab separated files. For any other text files, you would just use extractors.text. So what extractors do is they transform the input file into a row set, and when we are ending the code, you would have noticed that we usually use outputters, and the useQuel language provides built-in outputters class called outputters that again provides three different classes like outputters.text, .csv and .tsv, and they basically transform your row set that is available within your code into the output file. In the next video, we will talk about one of the most important concepts in Azure Data Lake, which is that of analytic unit. Thank you.